Hi. Are you sick of spending hours and hours trying to figure out how to make the right hot chocolate? Well, put those tools and cookbook away, because we're here.
Hi, I'm Skylar.
And I'm Jaden.
Today, on our cooking show, we will show you the chemistry behind hot chocolate.
We will be explaining the science for everyone's favorite hot treat, hot chocolate.
While you may think making hot chocolate is very easy, there is very complex chemistry that allows this delicious drink to be made.
Hot chocolate has been around for over 2,000 years. If the Mayans could make it 2,000 years ago, you can too.
Theobromine is a bitter alkaloid of the cocoa plant, which obtains the chemical formula C7H8N4O2. Theobromine is found in chocolate as well as in a number of other foods. Since this is a mixture, there is no chemical reaction. However, there is a physical change that does take place. The intermolecular forces between the two substances are drawing them together because they are both polar, and substances that are alike are more miscible or more likely to dissolve. If one part of the solution was polar and the other part was nonpolar, the solution would be immiscible and wouldn't be dissolved as easily.
The solutions are both polar because the chemical makeup of the two substances are not symmetrical. The molecules both have a positive and a negative end in their makeup. The nitrogen and hydrogen molecule in the theobromine, which is the hot cocoa mix, will have a hydrogen bonding to the water. Obviously, we need 3/4 cup of water at room temperature and a packet of hot chocolate mix. This is the water, and this is the hot chocolate mix. Hot chocolate is a solution or a mixture that appears homogeneous and looks like one thing. And it contains a solute and a solvent. The chocolate mix is your solute, and the water is your solvent. The water, which the solute dissolves in, will be the solvent, and it has a formula of H2O. Hot cocoa is a mix made up of theobromine.
Next, you'll need a cup, a spoon, and a microwave.
We use the cup to hold the solvent, which is the water. And we use this while we pour the solute in, which is the hot chocolate mix. We use the spoon to mix the solvent and the solute to create the solution, or the hot cocoa. Finally, we use the microwave to increase the temperature of the solution by adding heat, which allows for more solute to be dissolved within the solvent. So, the heat allows the solvent to be concentrated. This is because the heat allows the molecules to move faster, increasing their kinetic energy. This will enable more solute to be dissolved within the solvent. Before the water and the mix are in the microwave, the solution is supersaturated. This means that all of the hot chocolate mix will not dissolve due to the excessive solute used in the solution. There are still small clumps, as you can see, of the chocolate on the top of the water. After the solution is heated for 1.5 minutes and stirred, the mix is completely dissolved, making the substance saturated. The solution has the maximum amount of solvent dissolved. The only way to increase the amount of solution dissolved is to increase the kinetic energy of the molecules, change the solvent or solute, or increase the surface area of the solution by crushing the mix up more. When the solution is microwaved, the molecules heat again, which increase their temperature and therefore the kinetic energy. This is why the solution becomes saturated, like it is now. More solute can be dissolved within the solvent. If there was not a lot of solute being dissolved within the solvent, the mixture would be unsaturated, meaning that the solution contains less than the amount of solute needed to fully dissolve within the solvent.
Finally, the mixture is ready for us to enjoy. Thank you for watching our segment, Chemistry with CoCoa. Hi, I'm Skylar.
And I'm Jaden.
Today, on our cooking show, we will show you how to make hot chocolate with chemistry.
We will be explaining the science between everyone's favorite hot treat, hot chocolate, and a packet of hot chocolate mix.
Here's the water.
and here's the hot chocolate, and that is the water. Hot chocolate is
Jaden, stop! I'm sorry! It has to be serious! H8, 4, 9. Okay. symmetrical. Or not symmetrical.
That's the whole thing!
Wait, I still don't like this lighting. Hold on. Theobromine is a bit of...
Oh my god, right away. You can sit down at one count. I'm wearing... Okay, well now I don't even know where we are.
I'm just putting it in.
Well, where do I talk?
You don't...
Is it even playing? Skylar, I told you. Move the dog. After the solution is heated for 1.5 minutes and stirred, the mix is completely dissolved, making the substance saturated. The solution has a minimum... Oh my god, Skylar, I can't read it when your hand's in the way. Before the water and the hot chocolate mix are in the microwave, the solution is super saturated.